In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger in just 5 minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in navigating the platform and ready to harness its full potential for your website projects. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Hostinger, or you can type in the URL directly. Hostinger is a fantastic platform for bringing your online ideas to life, offering everything from website hosting to domain services. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button that's usually found at the top right corner of the page. If you're new to Hostinger, you might need to create an account first, but assuming you have one, click login and enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger H panel, which is their user-friendly control panel. This is your command center where you can manage everything related to your websites and domains. Here your journey really begins. You'll find yourself on the homepage of the Hostinger control panel. From this point, take a look at the different sections and familiarize yourself with the layout. Hostinger designed this interface to be intuitive, so whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, navigating should be a breeze. Next, you want to click on the Website tab. This is a crucial step as it's where you'll manage your site settings, install applications, and make customizations. By clicking on Website, you're headed to a section that houses all the tools you need to make your site as unique as your ideas. Now that you're in the Website section, take a moment to explore the options available. This is where magic happens and where you can begin to build or manage your websites. You'll find options to create new websites or modify existing ones, and Hostinger makes it straightforward with step-by-step guides included for every process. At this stage, you can install applications, set up a new CMS like WordPress, or manage website files directly. The possibilities are vast, so think about what you want to achieve with your site. Whether it's a blog, an e-commerce store, or a portfolio, Hostinger provides the tools to get you started. And there you have it. We've quickly navigated through logging in, exploring the H panel, and getting acquainted with the website section. Hostinger empowers you to create professionally styled websites with ease and efficiency. Now that you know your way around, the next step is entirely up to you, so go ahead and bring your online ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and happy building.